In which department? Are you a forensic specialist over here?
Yeah. Forensic.
Forensic medicine. HOD?
You know your daughter?
Yes.
Since birth.
Yes.
Let me finish my question. You are telling this
Yes.
finger.
Yes.
This is a barcode. You have
There's
seen.
no birthmark.
You have seen.
I have seen
You
very
have
I
seen-
have pictures.
I'm not.
I have
I'm
pictures.
not telling that.
Yes, I
I'm
have.
telling you have seen your daughter.
Yes.
Since she is your daughter.
Yes.
You the both
Many are
parents.
marks, Padamari.
You the both parents. Your
Mang-
brother.
Yes, many
You
marks.
did not see this.
This is birthmark.
This is birthmark.
Not birthmark.
This is
Not birthmark. I have pictures.
Let me explain.
Yes.
Let me explain. I saw it.
I can bring younger photos.
I see.
Birthmarks are present from the childhood.
Melanocyytosis, that is throttling. If throttling is done on her leg, there will be thumb impression on one side. If the killer used her, is right-handed person, thumb impression of this thumb.
That is what I saw, I am saying.
Will go on the right side of the leg.
That is what I am saying. I saw.
On the right side of the leg.
Yes.
And four fingers.
That is what I saw. I am saying.
Four fingers bruise will be seen on the left side of the Raudhas. This is called, you are a doctor,
Yes.
using medical term. This is a dermal melanocyytosis. Slate grey nevus, usually harmless, large blue grey birthmark. It can be mistaken for a bruise.
Okay.
Commonly in black people of Asian descent.
So
Reference Mayo Clinic, UK.
okay.
Birthmark
Let me
slide.
ask.
Birthmark slide.
Okay. When it appears on the body. When it appears on the body. When it appears on the body
After birth.
after birth. It is present at the
Since
birth.
birth.
Since birth. Right. Very good point. Since birth it is present. Parents are there. There are so many photos of modeling photos. Very exposed photos are there. Intention photos are there. This mark is not there. This mark is not there.